So
just let me one more thing. What was the most joyful moment of your career?
Joyful.
Yes.
I haven't really thought a lot about that. I was very impressed at the age of 12 when I succeeded in passing an examination of the London County Council, which was the educating authority, which meant that I would not have, my parents would not have to pay fees for me to go to the school that I was currently attending. Before that, they'd had to pay fees. But I was very pleased when that happened and my parents didn't have to go on paying fees. That was because I knew that my parents had a lot of demands on their expenditure, and I thought, this will relieve them of some of their expenses.